In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with UPI on Amazon, an increasingly popular and convenient method for handling online payments in India. If you're ready to dive into this straightforward process, let's begin with everything you need to know about setting up and using UPI for your next Amazon purchase. First, let's look at setting up Amazon Pay UPI. If you haven't already, this initial setup is crucial, as it forms the foundation of your future transactions. Begin by opening your Amazon app and navigating to the section labeled Amazon Pay. Here, tap on the option for Amazon Pay UPI. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to link your bank account to Amazon Pay UPI. Make sure your SIM card is active and is the same one associated with your bank account, as this streamlines the verification process. When it comes to creating your unique UPI ID, you can either opt for a customized ID consisting of 8 to 11 digits, or choose the convenience of using your mobile number as your UPI ID. This choice is entirely up to your personal preference and ease of remembrance. Now that you're set up, let's move on to making a UPI payment on Amazon. Start by adding your items to the cart and proceeding to checkout as usual. Upon reaching the payment method selection page, the option to choose is UPI. Within this, you'll be presented with two possible choices. The first is Amazon Pay UPI, where you simply select your linked bank account within the Amazon Pay UPI tab. This is generally the quicker and more seamless method if your account is already integrated. Alternatively, you can opt for other UPI apps by selecting from the Other Ways tab. This is particularly useful if you prefer or regularly use a different UPI app. If your UPI ID isn't linked directly, you might be prompted to enter it at this stage. Should you choose a UPI app other than Amazon Pay, you will find yourself redirected to that specific app to complete the payment process. This might involve a few extra steps, but it is a straightforward redirection that ensures security. The final step in this process, regardless of the UPI method you select, is the confirmation of payment. Key in your UPI PIN to authorize this payment, and that's it. Once the payment is successfully processed, keep an eye out for the order confirmation popping up on the Amazon app. This acts as your assurance that the transaction has gone through and your items are on their way. By understanding each step, from setup to final confirmation, you have equipped yourself with the knowledge needed to use UPI effectively on Amazon. Embrace the simplicity and security it brings to your online shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.